This is the first video for chapter 4 of class 11th business studies. The name of the chapter is business services. Before discussing business services, we will first discuss what do we mean by services. Now services are intangible. We cannot touch them. They are not tangible like machinery or furniture. They do not have physical qualities. We can experience them only. Okay, so while we are uh, acquiring any services, buying any services, we do not get the ownership of any physical thing. Like in other business transactions, we acquired a machinery, we will get the ownership of a physical item. Okay, in case of services, we do not get ownership of any physical item, but we can experience that. Okay, and the experience is not consistent with different service providers, or with same service provider at different times. The experience of the service will be different. So we can say that services are separately identifiable intangible activities which satisfy our wants. Okay, and they are not necessarily linked to the sale of any other product or another service. Now the features of services. As discussed, the first one, it is intangible. It do not have any physical qualities. Okay, we can experience that. Inconsistency, from the same service provider for the same customers at different times, the experience may be different. Okay, so there is a inconsistency in providing the services or getting the services. Okay, the experience of service is not consistent. Inseparability, the production process and the consumption process cannot be separated. They go on simultaneously. And since the production and consumption takes place at the same time, we cannot maintain a stock, or inventory cannot be maintained in case of services. Involvement, the involvement of customer is necessary. Okay, without the involvement, the services cannot be provided. We are discussing those again. Okay, intangible services are intangible, they cannot be touched, they can only be experienced. Okay, like mobile services, no, the internet service. Inconsistency, the services give different experience to different customers at different time. Inseparability, the production and consumption take place at the same time, it cannot be separated. And since no separation, the consumption and production takes place at the same time, inventory cannot be maintained. And the involvement of customer is very important for the production process or delivery process of services, not the production process. Okay, delivery process of services. Now what is the difference between services and goods? Okay, the first one, nature. Services is an activity or process like watching a movie. Okay, in the same manner using internet, whereas goods are physical objects like video cassettes of the movie. Okay, type, services are heterogeneous, they are not the same. For different persons or at different time from the same service provider, we will have a different experience, whereas in case of goods it is homogeneous. A particular product produced in one particular batch will be similar only. Okay, the quality will be same. Intangibility, services are intangible whereas goods are tangible. Okay, here example, doctor's treatment, okay, is intangible whereas the medicines are tangible. Inconsistency, that means the services are not consistent, the experience of the service is not same, it is different. Okay, varies from time to time. Okay, mobile services, sometimes from the same service provider at a particular place we get a very good service, and the other day the service may not be that good. But in case of goods, it is same, standardized products are there. Inseparability, we have discussed that simultaneous production and consumption takes place. In case of goods, the production is done separately and the consumption is done separately. Inventory, and because the consumption takes place and production and consumption takes place simultaneously, inventory cannot be maintained. Okay, in case of goods, the inventory can be maintained. Okay, involvement, in case of services, the customer's involvement is must, whereas in case of goods, the involvement is not necessary. Okay, at the time of manufacturing or production. Now, what are the business services which we are going to discuss? The first one, banking, transportation, insurance, warehousing, and communication. These are the 5 business services which we will be discussing later on. Now, what do we mean by business services? Okay, services we have discussed, and the services which is necessary for the operation of business, for the smooth conduct of business, for making the products or goods available to the customers. These services are necessary. No business can flourish without the support of these services. Okay, so most of the business organizations are using these services to conduct their activities. Okay, and as discussed, the business services are banking, insurance, transportation, warehousing, communication. Okay, now why do we need that? Okay, first, banking provides or arranges the funds through loans. Okay, it provides loans, and it also helps in the exchange of the value. Okay, money can be transferred from one place to another, from one account to another, from one business to another business. Okay, various types of accounts are there, various services are there that we will discuss separately. Insurance helps us to insure the goods, reduce the risk. It will not eliminate the risk, but it will help us to reduce the risk. Okay, communication services like telecom and postal services, which helps us to be in touch with our suppliers and customers. Okay, nowadays the internet, email is importance is growing. Okay, it is helping the business to conduct activities very smoothly. Okay, warehousing, once the goods are produced, it has to be stocked, because the consumption doesn't takes place simultaneously. Okay, so to maintain the quality and to use it throughout the year, warehousing is important. Then transport companies, transporting raw materials and finished goods from one place to another. It helps the business to produce goods in larger quantities to achieve the economies of scale.